word families for our early learners, early readers. Tea Week, brought to you by AMSIN. Check us out on the web at americanschoolofelenglish.info. Let's dive right in. Today we're going to do some family words. Just a simple review. Ub, ub, short vowel sound U, short vowel consonant sound B, B, ub, let's go. Cub, cub, cub. Hub, hub. Rub, rub, rub. Sub, sub, sub. Tub, tub, tub. Club, 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 club. Let's do that one more time. Cub, hub, rub, sub, tub, club. Good job. Now, when the word bounces, I want you to say it out loud. Ready? Good job. Let's move on. Now let's do some simple sentences to encourage our pre-readers to read a lot more now. Ready? Let's go. 1. A baby bear is a cub. A baby bear is a cub. 2. The center of a city is called a hub. The center of a city is called a hub. 3. I rub my knee. It's sore. I rub my knee. It is sore. 4. A sub is short for submarine. A sub is short for submarine. Now, as usual, when the sentence bounces, I want you to read it out loud. And I'll go by the number first. I'll call the number out, sentence bounce, and you read it. Ready? Number 1. 2. 3. 4. 'Good job. Let's move on. 6. Take a bath in a tub. Take a bath in a tub. 7. Do you want to go to a club tonight? Do you want to go to a club tonight? Now, I'll say the number out loud and I want you to read it when the sentence bounces, okay? Ready? 6. 7. 'Great. And that concludes our Word Family Up segment for today. Tune in next time for our UG Family segment. And on another note, we're almost at the end of our Word Family schedule. Rewind, learn, rewind, and learn some more. Thank you. This segment was brought to you by AMSEN. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.